ahead.
Mama.
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 Why you sound like you joking? Mama. Little mama. Go ahead, you turn.
What's up, world? This is Nesbitt Phipps, and I'm from way uptown in New Orleans area. And shout out to my girl Daisy and Kim for being down here in New Orleans and experiencing what real life is all about. All right, I'll at y'all later, baby.
Ready? Come to the Virgin, baby. Drinks on me. Let's roll. Hey!
I'm ready.
All right.
Welcome to Nola. You're in the best city. Don't get no better than this. You dig, baby?
Hey!
Welcome to New Orleans, baby. The only place where you'll have a good time and let the good times roll. And also, you can get the Tina Tony locks
Hey!
right here, only in New Orleans.
Yes! Love it.
Welcome to Nola, baby.
All right. I'm here with my friends Kim and Daisy. It was nice meeting you ladies. I love your energies. If you're ever in New Orleans, Louisiana, welcome.
Hey.
Come stop at Crown Creations. Come get your hair braided. Come get your hair done. Build your crown, grow your ether, your energy. Come see us. And thank you for visiting.
Yes.
Baby.
Go ahead.
All right, y'all. Gonna see you next time, baby.
All right, baby, y'all go in there and get those charbon oysters from Drago's off top with the shrimp and grits. Make sure you get the steak and lobster with the crab meat, gratin sauce, and the brownie a la mode. Baby, y'all gotta come down here for Mardi Gras because it goes down.
Hey.
Can't force it.
All right, well,
Okay.
all right.
Okay.
Well, what's up? How you doing?
Yes.
Yo, that was I was supposed to set you up. That was a setup. How you doing?
I'm all right, Leon.
Baby girl, I will be fine.
Yes.
I know y'all leave tomorrow. It's been a pleasure. I'll be back, all right? I'm sorry we had more time together. I'll be back. Don't worry. Y'all got my number.
Little baby.
She got your what you talk.
How you doing? Good morning, baby. Welcome to New Orleans. It's all great. We're here in the New Orleans. What's up, my guy? Good morning to you. Hey, yo, come on down to New Orleans. Come to the Birds, our #1 spot. We hot. You know,
Yes,
come to the
sir.
rooftop, to the 13, to the pool, to everything.
Lord.
It's all great, baby.
Yes.